Hello everyone and welcome to my kitchen. It's your girl Benny of Real Benny's Kitchen. So today we are making fresh egg rolls that you so enjoy. On the table I have the ingredients for our egg rolls. Here I have my flour. I'm using 250 grams of flour for this quantity of egg rolls I'm making. I have my eggs, there are 4 here and they are already boiled. I have my butter. I have 2 tablespoons of butter here. I have my nutmeg. Nutmeg is half teaspoon. I have my white pepper, which is optional, half teaspoon. You can use Cameroon pepper if you want to. Then I have my baking powder. My baking powder is 1 teaspoon. I have my pinch of salt. Then I have 1/4 teaspoon of yeast because I want it to be a bit soft. Then I have 1 tablespoon of milk. Then I have 2 tablespoons of sugar. Of course, my water to form our dough. So first of all, I'm going to sieve in my flour in the bowl because of any weevil or particles that might be in the flour. If you want to add egg in it, you can. It's optional, but I'm not going to add any egg in here. So I'll add all the dry ingredients first. I'm adding the sugar, the powdered milk, and I'm adding the yeast. The yeast is optional too. A pinch of salt, baking powder, my white pepper, which I said is optional too, nutmeg. I use my hand to combine everything. After this, I add the butter. Use my fingertips to rub it in the flour. You can make this at home for your kids, or if you want to go commercial to make some money, you can also make it and sell. If you have kids at home, you can always make it and put in their lunch boxes when they are going to school. But remember that you don't keep egg roll for long. Just make it fresh and eat it hot, because if you do keep it, it will go bad. So you can see how the flour and the butter, how they look now. It looks like rounded ABC or breadcrumbs. Just rub in everything well. After this is done, I now form a well in the middle of the bowl. I have 200 ml of water here, but I might not finish it, or as the case may be, I'll keep adjusting. You don't have to pour the water at once, you have to pour in the water gradually. So I'll add the first one. We want to form a dough now. So I just add some more. So I'm going to finish this water. I've added all the 200 ml, so I might need to add more water. So I just add some more water. The dough is not supposed to be too hard. The dough has formed now, so you need very well to remove any lump that you might have in it. After kneading like this, you now leave it to rest for like 10 minutes. So I'll leave it now to rest for 10 minutes. So this is 10 minutes. I've come to check it. So this is what I have. So the eggs are good to go in now. You rub your palms in the floor. You work on it. You work on it a bit. You can see how soft it is, but it's not gummy. It's not gummy to my hand. So I'll just cut into sizes. I might not use all the dough because I have just 4 eggs here. So I rub flour on my palm, flatten the dough. Because of the little yeast I added, it's so soft in it, and this is exactly what I want. I didn't want the dough to be too hard. As I'm doing this, the oil is on heat because you need little low. You have to fry on very low heat. If not, the dough will soak and the dough won't be cooked. So you wrap the egg around like this to the bottom, like this. Don't know if you are seeing what I'm doing. Then you remove the excess. Then wrap it around your hand. You put in the oil immediately. If you keep, the flour might separate, the dough might separate from the egg. So the heat is on now. I'll just drop this one into the oil. Let it be frying there. See how round it is. Just flatten it, then you put the egg in it. Take it to the bottom and then lock it and remove the excess. Then turn it around in your palm so that you have that round shape. They are good to go. You continue doing like this if you are doing more until you finish. You can see I already put one inside. You see that it's deep frying and the oil is not too hot. You don't allow the oil to be too hot, because if it's too hot, the dough will not get cooked. So you just do it like this and be stirring it gently if you need to stir it. You know it is cooked when it is golden brown. Just allow it to be fried like this. So we are still here frying. You can't tell how long it takes to fry until you see it's getting golden brown. You know it is getting ready. Please, if you have not liked this video, please do, and always like it, always share it, and give this video a thumbs up. Please, please, I'm begging you, please. You can see our beauties. See how well it's coming out. I'll just be stir frying a bit so it will be a bit more golden. Then we are good to go. Like I said earlier on, if you want to start a business, you can use this measurement but adjust it to the quantity you want, and you are good to go with your business. So before you bring them out, you line your kitchen towel in a tray or in a sieve and put there so it can soak the extra oil. Wow, I love this. I love the way it came out. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please like this video. So they are good to go, and I'm bringing them out now. You can see how beautiful this is. Well, oh boy, nice, nice, nice. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and keep liking.